Welcome to the Millennium Alliance workshop room. If you're leading a workshop at our assembly, this is where you'll be. Let's take a look. Your workshop session will be 30 minutes long and will sit about 30 executives in the room. You'll have access to the screen as well as the confidence monitor below. There will always be an AV team member at the back of the room to help you with setup and any troubleshooting you may need throughout the half hour. You can bring your personal computer, a flash drive, or you can even email your slide deck to the client services team and we'll have it ready for you upon arrival. For some, this screen may be intimidating, but please don't fret. Slides are 100% optional. In fact, we've even found the best workshop sessions have used just a few slides to frame the conversation, followed by an interacting and engaging discussion open to the floor. A Millennium Alliance staff member will also be in the room at all times. They'll introduce you to the group and also give you necessary signals when your time's up.